Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a common problem many developers face when building a system for user registration and auditing. The problem we're tackling revolves around creating a seamless process for new users to register, upload documents, and for auditors to efficiently review and approve reject cases each day. Now let's talk about the solution. In the solution provided, we discussed the idea of using a sharded MySQL database to store user details and document references, as well as a blob storage for the actual files. The use of a distributed queue, like Amazon SQS, was suggested to handle event notifications for successful registrations. However, considering the simplicity of the process, opting for a plain table with email notifications could suffice, enhancing manageability and clarity. In terms of scalability, the solution emphasizes the importance of having dedicated tables for registration data and approval states, potentially incorporating a state transition diagram for the approval lifecycle. By structuring the system in this way, it can easily handle fluctuations in registration and auditing loads, ensuring a scalable and efficient process. In summary, creating a system for user registration and auditing involves careful consideration of database design, notification mechanisms, and scalability. By focusing on dedicated tables, clear state transitions, and efficient notification systems, you can build a robust solution that meets the needs of both new users and auditors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts. After all, feedback is the breakfast of champions.